So here we are for the ribbon cutting for Jimmy Deloach Connector. We have the governor here and the commissioner here and some of the board members here from Georgia DOT. And they're all here supporting this momentous occasion. It's Friday, May 27th, and we're in the morning, and hopefully right after the ribbon cutting here, we'll open the northbound lanes to traffic, and then the southbound lanes sometime later this afternoon will be done. It's just great to know that some of those trucks coming from GPA will be able to use this road today.